Fede, this one is for you. The last time we were here, we were robbed blind. But something about this place makes me recall that we were robbed, but not remember it. I remember instead the colour, the adventure, the listlessness of having nothing, in a place that seems to have everything, Europe's vegetable garden. And while time in Rome was cut short, time with Nonna wasn't, who was more than happy to roll out a feast of gnocchi for us, and raid her vegetable garden for me. Things aren't like that here, but then, with perfect timing, I get a text from you. Do you want anything from Rome? I can't possibly know what I don't know, so instead I say,
surprise me.
Not because I can't be bothered thinking, but because you know better. You have bought, and now I have, Nduja, that looks wrapped in a way that if it were New Zealand, it would never have made it through customs. This is the missing piece to my puzzle on what to cook today, and my own mode of resistance against this collective mental drift. And so, perhaps improperly, this is what I propose. I'm going to blend some locally grown spinach from a farm, probably somewhere in the Cotswolds. I'll strain this out into a silky green juice. The pulp I'll freeze for another time. Flour, about this much, with salt and a generous lug of olive oil. And now we work. This is the delight of having European friends. In this day and age, when they visit their home, they're my ticket to culinary travel. When, for better or worse, the place I live has kept them at a bureaucratic arm's length. This is where, despite geopolitics and pandemics, the tendrils of language and food spread out. We always find a way. And then we rest. We rest until we know what we are doing. And I think to myself that perhaps I'll be making something offensive, but at the very least, attempts are better than rejections. And then again, you always knew that I wouldn't be doing something even remotely traditional. Yet you seem to accept that as a reality. After all, it's the ingredients that unite us, isn't it? And that pasta is stuffed. And rolled. And a roux is made with a hint of lemon, just enough to calm down the heat from the Nduja. basil, that sweet accent. And even though it's not traditional, somehow the heat, the sweet, the creaminess, the texture. We're back in the streets of Rome, with only the clothes on our backs, wine in our veins, blissfully unaware of the massively changed future of now, or even the future one single day from then. Tell Nonna, thanks for the capers.